Hey guys, I did forget to insert a picture of what the contacts look like on, like when I'm wearing them in photos, and this is what they look like. Super pretty. I love them. They're my new favorite contacts. So okay, so this is what the contacts are looking like on. This is both of them on, and I honestly love them. These are by far my favorite contacts I've ever worn. I've never been able to find a pair of gray contacts that don't look blue or ice stark white and creepy Halloweenish looking on me. And these look so natural. They don't look green or brown. They look like a nice light natural-esque gray. Like, I feel like if you look at me, you would think that these are my natural eyes if you never met me or at a first glance. So I really like them. Again, these are from TTDEYE, and I love them. The way they came packaged, they came in this box right here. I'm gonna insert a clip of me unboxing it. So what came in the box was like this little green glitter. It came with this little case that comes with contacts, like the holders or whatever, the contact case. And it comes with these two little tools, like one to take out the contacts and one to put them in. I did try using the one to put them in and it wasn't working. I just prefer my finger, and I use my nails to actually take my contacts out, and they don't break. You just have to be super gentle when you're pinching them. Sorry for the background music because people around my neighborhood have to blast their stereos. It also came with some stickers, and then the actual case, like the actual box that the contacts come in, is super like holographic-y and super freaking cute. I love it. And okay, this is gonna be like off topic, but I'm getting the Note 10 Plus in the Aurora Glow color, and this case or carton box thing reminds me of it so much. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I feel like I've mentioned this in about every single one of my last couple of videos, but yeah, back to the contacts. It also came with a mirror, which is like this. It has like TTDEYE on it, and then obviously the mirror. Hi. Honestly, I love the handheld mirror. I'll probably use it for like when I'm doing my eyebrows or something, but I wouldn't use this for my contacts just because I use both of my hands to put my contacts in. I'm getting used to using one, and when I do, maybe I'll be able to use this mirror, but for right now I'm still using two hands. But if you're a professional, and I've seen people do it with one hand, this is great because you could just be like bloop, and then bloop. So I can use it for when I take them out because I just go like that, so I guess. But the mirror is super cute. I love it. So yeah, I am obsessed. So yeah, these are the only contacts I have from them, and now that I've tried these, I'm probably gonna get, I really want the Polar, are these Polar? Yeah, I really want the Polar Lights yellow green ones. Those look super pretty as well. And I want the Egypt brown, I believe the Queen brown, and the Real India. Those contacts look so pretty. So if you're looking for a good pair of contacts, also these feel super comfortable. They're not like making my vision blurry or anything. I'm gonna try to leave my code so you could get money off if you guys are interested in buying contacts. I'll leave my code down below in the description box. You will save a whole 10% off. It's not a lot, but anything is anything. Trust me. I'm like a penny pincher. I love to save money whenever and wherever I can. So again, these are the Polar Lights Blue Gray. I have super dark brown eyes. You will see that when I do the like one contact in and one contact out comparison. But yeah, I really like them. Drop your comments down below what you guys think. I also put my contacts in before I do my makeup. So I put them in and then I do my makeup, and these contacts didn't give me any problems. And I do have another gray pair that I wore in the video prior to this, I believe. And they're in here. And I got these for like $8 from someone on Facebook. And then I do my makeup and these contacts didn't give me any problems. And I do have another gray pair that I wore in the video prior to this, I believe. And they're in here. And I got these for like $8 from someone on Facebook who has like a crap ton of colors. I got those ones and the gray ones. Those ones look pretty nice. They are super exaggerated. And the gray ones are like really great. So they're like kind of cosplay vibes to them, but I think I just found my new everyday contacts. Also, like 4 years ago, before I met my boyfriend, I used to wear my contacts literally 24/7. I slept with them for about a whole year. I didn't take them out. I don't advise that. I didn't get an infection, but personally you can. My eyes just, maybe I was just lucky, but I have been taking them out, especially since I put makeup on. I do have to clean them, so please do not wear your contacts overnight. It's not a good idea, and I was pretty stupid for doing that. So yeah, these are the contacts. Okay, so here's just another quick little overlook of everything that you get. This is the box that it comes in. Cute pink. There's also directions on the back in English, which is nice. This is the contact lens case that comes inside of this little clear plastic case, and then the tools are in here. As you can see, it comes with like tweezers and that weird little suction looking thing. This is what the contacts come inside of, this cute little box. And this is what the actual lenses come in, these two things with some liquid in it. Then it came with this cute little glitter. Well, it's not really glitter. It looks like Mylar paper, but it's just green Mylar paper. Or shreds, which I could use for my nail designs. Then it comes with this mirror that says TTDEYE on it. And then there's that. Hey, sis. That's me wearing the contacts. Then it comes with this. I don't know if these are stickers. They might be like fake tattoos or something, which look weird, but I like them. I'll use them one way or another. And then I think this is a sticker. So yeah, that is everything that comes with the box. I'm not sure if you order more than once, if you get more than one mirror, but that would be pretty cool. Well, for me, because I sell press-on nails and I like to throw in little knickknacks here and there, like a face mask. And if I get a mirror every time, I'm going to throw a mirror in there. But yeah, I really like everything that I got. And like how it came, super cute. I love this pink. Pink is my favorite color. So yeah, see you in the outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop your thumbs up. If you're interested, check out the description bar for a discount code. It's not an affiliate code. I don't get money. If a certain amount of people use it, I do get a free pair of contacts eventually. God only knows when that will be. Comment down below what you guys think of these contacts, if you like them, if you don't. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!